Hey guys, how's it going? Today in this video we're actually going to be building a completely new flatbed for my truck. I found out over the past couple weeks that the bed actually has been rusting away very badly over time, and so as you can see here, I've coated the whole thing again so it's nice and protected at least a little bit. And then the next step is build a brand new flatbed out of some steel. So hope you enjoy. Not bad. So we're all nice and squared up now, and yeah, so far it's going pretty good. We'll see how the next part goes. She's looking pretty good. Of course, now she's just held up with some, with some boards just to see how it looks. But next, we've got to do the mounts here, here, and here. That'll go on. That'll mount the frame up to these original holes for the original bed in the chassis. So that's the next step. Let's get to it. One of the few things I do know about this is that you can't have the flatbed touching the truck, and so I don't really know how far away they're supposed to be though. So right now I've got it at about 3/4 of an inch, as you can hopefully see there. Not sure if the shadows are doing any good for that, but yeah, we'll start at that, and if we need to move it any more after that, we can still do that. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Well, that's just wonderful. The steel, obviously my my fabricating skills are wonderful, because the piece is too short, or too long. Yeah, so now we're gonna have to figure out a way to make it work. Yay.
I'd say it'll be fine, Jacob.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Right?
There we go. Oh, maybe. Haha.
Yes, it'll be fine.
Easy.
Yep.
Yeah. Grandpa's screwdriver to the rescue. It works.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So there we go, guys. First cross member is all in. All right, guys. So there we go. We've got this much done. I think that'll be it for part one. If you want to see the rest of it, in part two, we're going to be making mounts to mount it to the bed, and also finishing up the wood bottom on it. So yeah, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.